Welcome to our Direct Boot Windows to Go demonstration. Today we'll be demonstrating Direct Boot on a MacBook Air. First step is to plug the disk into the USB port. Notice as I plug the disk in, it mounts two partitions. First partition is the software partition, second partition is the systems partition. I'm going to click on the software partition and locate the file dbwtg. I'm now going to execute WTG. The Mac asks for the Mac admin password, which is standard when you're running an executable from an external disk. So I'm going to place that in now. Having placed the correct admin password in Mac, it now brings up the UI. UI has an unlocking code. What's unique about this disk is Direct Boot actually works with Bitlocker encryption. It's the only disk on the market that does this. I'm going to enter the Bitlocker password and it's going to mount the Windows partition, which is Bitlocker encrypted. Note that the W partition is now mounted. So with this, Direct Boot is now ready to load the operating system, or the Windows to Go operating system, from the USB. We have the software partition mounted, we have the W partition mounted, which of course is Bitlocker encrypted, and we also have the systems partition. I'm going to click on the word on the file option file, and as you can see, it brings up the content of the W partition, which means that we can read and write to this partition. I'm now going to load the Windows to Go operating system by clicking Direct Boot. When I click this, the system's going to shut down and it's going to restart under the Windows to Go operating system, which is Enterprise 8.1. The beauty of this is there's no user configuration, there's no interface, you don't have to hold the option key down, all you have to do is click this one button. It's going to ask you if you're sure you want to do this because it's shutting the system down, so you can save all your work, click OK. And now the system will begin the process of shutting down. The MacBook Air takes a few more seconds than some of the other Mac systems that we support, which of course in this particular case is Lion, Mountain Lion, and Maverick. This current configuration here is a MacBook Air on Mountain Lion. While it's shutting down, I just want to bring up a few more points. One of the interesting parts of this particular application is not only does it support the operating system shutting down and rebooting directly to Windows to Go, it also automatically selects the correct NVIDIA driver. So should the Mac have Intel drivers or NVIDIA drivers, the boot logic selects which one is appropriate, and it also selects the correct network driver. So when the system boots up, it's 100% ready. Right now it's asking for the Bitlocker password. This prevents the disk from being hacked if it should be just restarted for some unknown reason. As you can see, this is standard operation for Bitlocker. You're now seeing the Windows to Go splash screen, which is now loading. Just one more second, we should be on a Windows 8 desktop. And here we go. So Windows 8 desktop. I'm going to enter the password. And there we go. So Windows 8 desktop. Let's see what our network driver selection is on this. Go up to the top, check the settings, and as you can see, available networks are here. We have network drivers, we have video drivers. We're loaded on the network on the MacBook Air's desktop running Enterprise 8 with a single click of one button. Anyway, this concludes our demo for today. Thank you very much for watching.